Hey friends, welcome back. Just so you know, this video is one of my unfiltered flights. So what you'll see here is the full, real experience in the cockpit. No fancy cuts, no heavy editing, just pure flying as it happens, with a lot of the moments that are normally cut out of the full-length videos. It's the kind of video where you can sit back, relax, and feel like you're right here with me on the flight. Now, if you'd rather watch the action-packed, fully edited version, that will always be up on my channel with all the highlights and storytelling. You can find that linked on screen and down in the description. And if you're enjoying these flights, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Let's get flying.
Good start. Alright. Am I clear, am I right?
You are clear, right? You just have a golf
Check
cart
my brakes.
up there.
Brakes are good. You got all the stuff, right?
Yeah, I'm going to start to set up the cockpit while you taxi.
Okay.
Operation are 0600 local time to 2000 local time. The frequency for automated weather is 120.77. The common traffic advisory frequency is 125.1. Pilot operated approach lighting is available on 125.1. For additional information, contact Las Vegas Approach via telephone number 725-200-4432.
Not available.
Henderson Executive Airport. Automated weather observation. 2336 Zulu. Wind 340 at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 42 Celsius. Remarks. Density altitude 6,100.
Henderson Tower hours of operation are 0600 local time to 2000 local time. The frequency for automated weather is 120.77. The common traffic advisory frequency is 125.1. Pilot operated approach lighting is available on 125.1. For additional information, contact Las Vegas Approach via telephone number 725-200-4432.
Okay.
Yep, tires closed.
Do your run up and then we can catch up after that.
Alright, we'll check the little right mag. 70 drop. Left mag. 70 drop.
Device is too hot. Yeah, we know. Oh, okay. Yeah, actually this is burning my hands.
Manifold rise. Oil pressure fall. Car peep. RPM drop.
Citation 1. Henderson traffic citation 168, Papa X-rays. Taxiing from the north hangars, runway 35 left for takeoff. Henderson, any traffic, please advise.
Throttle idle.
All right.
Check's good. Back
Run
to
up
down.
looked great. Tower's closed. It is a Monday at 4:40 p.m. and you guys are gonna hear it again. It's so understaffed here that they close randomly whenever their controller needs a break or whatever. So anyways, they're closed right now. So we are on 125.1, which is gonna be our CTAF for today.
Yep.
And are you ready for taxi?
Yep.
Henderson traffic, Skylane 3802 Delta, taxiing from the fuel island to runway 35 left for departure. Henderson traffic.
So you weren't able to get the flight plan in?
No.
Damn it.
I don't know if this is going to help it. Nope. That feels hot.
Henderson 160 Papa X-ray, north hangars, taxi 35 left.
This was in the sun.
Via Hotel
Seconds.
Alpha.
Hotel Alpha, someone else going.
Yeah.
This was in the sun for maybe 6 minutes total.
Alright. Gonna use your phone then.
Yeah, sure will. Alright, cockpit set up from our ATIS 2987 and altimeters check. And HSI is matching our compass. That looks great. And the good thing about tower being closed is we got a quick taxi clearance because we got to say when we get to go.
4, but Juliet, about 6 miles, final 35 left.
Are you feeling okay?
I'm feeling great. How are you feeling?
I'm great.
I'm looking for whoever that
You're
is
mute.
taxiing out.
Got someone coming in for 3
Yep,
left.
I see him on final.
Yeah, same.
Cool.
Oh, we're alive.
Alright, so
We're
you can get that
alive.
thing pushed over.
I'm going to flight stream our flight plan from Garmin Pilot before it dies again.
Henderson traffic, Mission Jets on the 3.5 mile final runway, 35 left, full stop. Henderson.
What up, Mike?
Hey.
The heck?
Flight plan is activated. All right, we're in business.
Alright.
I am going to keep this down on my lap. That way it's not in the sun right now. If we get in a position where it's in the shade again, I'll throw it back up there.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to do a takeoff briefing. So we're going to be a left seat departure, runway 35 left. Climbing to 4,500. We're going to be managing our temps real good. We'll be a left crosswind to the southwest in the event of emergency. Prior to rotate, throttle idle, full braking. In the air with runway remaining, put it back down. Below 1,000 feet, we are going to pick a 30-degree window, set it down 1,000 feet above. We'll come back to Henderson and land. Do you have any questions for me?
No questions.
Henderson traffic, Mission Jets on a 1 mile final runway, 35 left, full stop.
We'll wait for Mike to come in. Mike is the local Cirrus rep for Vision Jets.
Yes.
I noticed when we taxied out, his hangar was open. So I figured he was out just for a quick jaunt.
Alright, we'll do our pre-checks. Fuel's on both. Flap set 10 for takeoff. Trent set. We'll get the mixture to go. We already got the prop set appropriately. Landing light is on. We are ready to go. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready. Ooh. Red, I haven't seen this one. Pretty girl. Nice. No pressure, Mike. So cool. That's a sweet paint scheme.
That is sweet.
No pressure to you too, by the way. This new camera out there, this X4.
I was really going to see how off centerline I am.
That's what I was gonna say. You better hold it center line. This is your official review.
I know. So seat back's good, right?
Yep, I'm good.
All right.
But this new camera out there is gonna keep you honest. I'm not gonna lie.
Don't see anyone else. He's still on the runway.
Henderson traffic, leader jet 674, visual air clear, runway 35 left. Henderson.
Henderson traffic, Skylane 3802 Delta is departing runway 35 left for a VFR southwest departure. Henderson traffic.
See you, Henderson.
See ya.
Three-five left, I see it.
Confirmed.
Power is smoothly coming in. Heels on the floor. Power set and achieved. Airspeed is alive. T's and P's are in the green. Gentle rotate. Tap the brakes. Alright, we'll get our flaps retracted. Get some speed going. Alright, we'll make that crosswind turn.
Yep, 600 feet. Henderson traffic, Skylane 3802 Delta. Left downwind, runway 35 left will be a departure to the southwest. Henderson traffic.
Alright, managing our temps. We're gonna get some airflow over.
Oh, looking great. Wow, what a difference a 30-minute time on ground for taxi doesn't take.
Yes.
Or does for us. So we are at 1,000 feet AGL and we are at 400 on the CHT. That is my region of I want to keep it under, so I always like to keep my CHTs under 400. It's impossible in Vegas summer, so we're just doing our best. Normally by now we're at 420
Yes.
at 1,000 feet, but since we didn't have a long time on the ramp for taxi, because normally towers open and it takes a long time, that just helped us immensely.
It really did. Look at that. It's stabilized.
Oh my God, that makes me feel so good right now. Holy crap.
And we're getting the updrafts to pull us gently up. We're 1,000 feet above the ground, which is great.
And climbing at 800 feet per minute while still holding true to that 400 CHT.